Mount your camera on a tripod, guys. You can use portrait mode. After that, you can now run into the scene, jump up and come down. Then after that, you just walk out. Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Welcome to your gallery. As we grade this video together, click on CapCut. New project, guys. Import your video to workspace. Alright, look at that volume sign there. You click it as we silence the volume. Locate where you want this video to start from before you enter the scene. Alright, click here and make a split. Delete this first part, we don't need it again. So locate where you jump up. You click it. You are going to be making a split here. Alright, then you go to the end part of the, as you walk out, make another split here. Delete this middle part. Come to this point where you are here. You make a screenshot. Do a screenshot here. Alright, screenshot this part, guys. Then you click it now and cropple it. Cropple this your screen part, your screenshot part. Cropple it. After croppling it, alright, we are going to be clicking on this done here. So click on done now. Then you save to photos. Then you click on overlay, add overlay photos. Now we import this photo you worked on. Alright, go and look for remove BG, guys. Click on remove BG auto removal. Now it has removed completely. Mark on this good, you go back. So you want to click it to cropple this your image to align with the original image there. Alright, you do all your necessary adjustment you need to do. After that, you click it now and add keyframe. Alright, add keyframe here, guys. As you add keyframe, you adjust the video, drag this image down out. Then let's play to see what we have got. This is good. So at this point, you click on this second layer, the image part, to trim it to be equal. Click on the background and look for duplicate. Alright, locate duplicate and duplicate it. Look for overlay. Click on overlay. Look at overlay. Click, then click it to drag it under this one. So you are going to be clicking it to go and look for mask. Locate mask, guys. Go and look for mask. Alright, click on mask now. You click on horizontal. Adjust this video to the middle part a little bit so that it will reveal this character. Turn this your line now. Turn this your line. As you turn it, you want to drag it down, and you can decide to bring it up, decide to position it here. After which, you are going to mark on this good now. As we go back, you try to make the line straight. Alright, mark on this good now and go back. Play it. Let's see what we have got. Good, this is good, but click it and still locate that mask again. We want to do something, guys. Locate that mask for the second time. Click on this mask again. Try to make this your line straight. After making it straight, play with this feather icon, adjust it a bit. Good, mark on this good now. Then you go back. This is the result after the adjustment. Good, then you come back immediately. You enter the ground, mark anywhere, add overlay now. Click on video, import this your water here. Alright, click on splice, guys. Then you click on filter. Click on filter, mark on this good. You go back, make it fit the screen. Then you drag it down to the part where you enter the ground. We are going to be playing it. Alright, no. Immediately you enter the ground, click it and adjust it so that immediately you enter the ground. Look at it. So we are going to be clicking on this water layer. This water layer, this water effect. Click it now and make a split. Alright, then you drag it under this one, drag it under. Then you make another split. Then you still drag it down and make it align. Alright, you split it for the third time. You still bring it, split it, still bring it to make it align. After aligning it now, we are going to be playing this video to see how it look. Good, this is nice. But then we are going to be playing this video from the beginning. Let us see what we have got. Okay, this video is ready, guys. Remember to add your sound effect, your light effect, every other effect. After that, you now export your video to your gallery. If you don't know how to do them, if you don't know how to add your sound, DM me, as my number is at the description of this video. I am going to put you through. After that, you click on export now. Then you export this your video to your gallery. As you can see that the video I've installed in our gallery. All right, so share it to your social media handles. Tell us your opinion about this video. You have a magic effect or capcut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. You love this video, you love what we are doing, smash your like button, locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. Okay, if you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. See you in our next video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe.